Gonna try the snacks from Universal Yums.
I didn't do it.
This is a box from Universal Yum. Which country we're gonna taste today?
I think it's India.
Yeah, because you stole it earlier. First thing that we're gonna try, Nitos Crusties. Whoop, like zigzags, very airy. Have the kick of curry in the back.
It tastes like barbecue.
7 out of 10.
For me, it's a 10.
Something sweet. This cafe. It's like coffee. You're supposed to dip it with coffee. It tastes like coffee.
I want to be skinny.
What's the connection? A 9 out of 10.
10 for me.
Crunchy matar. And green peas. Texture of corn nuts.
It's very tangy. So your throat is getting hotter and hotter.
8 out of 10.
It's 10 for me.
Time for a drink. I'm gonna try the thumbs up. Try this.
It's almost done, oh! I like it because it doesn't burn your mouth. It's flat.
It's 8 out of 10. It's Coke.
10.
Truffles or truffles?
Individually
Ooh.
wrapped.
Smells like brownies.
There's cocoa. Cocoa truffles.
This is gonna be my first 10, guys.
10. Kata, Mita.
Let's utilize our book. It's a trail mix.
It has peanuts.
It has an umami flavor. Like the corn pops. Turmeric.
It's addicting. You have to pour.
9 out of 10.
This is 10.
So one Pop D. Pastry.
An Indian cotton candy with nuts and cardamom.
Oh, it's like this. Melts in your mouth. Like a
Looks
cotton
like-
candy. This is like a straightforward cardamom. It's gonna be an 8.5 for me.
10.
Yes, it's tangy tomato corn snack. It smells like tomato sauce, ma. Straightforward tomato. There's chips, has a kick at the end. 7.
10. Shortbread cookies.
Real butter cookie. Good for coffee, good for tea.
Yes.
Buttery, vanilla. 7 out of 10.
It's a 10 for me.
Hornitos Nacho Crisp. Tikka masala.
Real tikka masala. Tikka masala is my favorite.
Triangle corn chips. Or a raita that you could dip with it.
Can I get a rice with this?
9 out of 10 for me.
10 with the rice.
Next is the pataake. Pudina chili. Reminds me of a rice like rice biryani or 8 out of 10.
Of course, it's a 10.
Treat cozy cardamom.
Ay!
Straightforward cardamom sugar center. Like a lemon cookie. 8 out of 10.
10.
Yum bag. Mixture of oats.
Candy.
Mango Max. It's like mango.
Mango lassi.
Candies are 10 out of 10.
India, your food and your country always get a 10.